A very good morning to all of you. This is Raj sir, and I'm back with your mathematics class. Today is Friday and it's 11th September 2020. Okay, my dears, we have been doing the chapter mensuration and we are in exercise 11.2. And in our previous class, we have completed till question number 5. Now, today we are going to start our question number 6. Okay, now without any delay, let's start the video. Okay, in this question we are talking about a rhombus, and here I have make a figure so that you can understand what is rhombus. Okay, a rhombus, I can say it's like a parallelogram. Okay, it's like a parallelogram or it's like a square, but there's a difference between a square and a rhombus, and there is one similarity also. In a square, all these angles are perpendicular, means 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree in square, but in a rhombus it is not. Okay, the sides are quite slanting, so it is a rhombus. So that's why it's like a parallelogram. In parallelogram, the adjacent angles are not 90 degrees, isn't it? So, but one thing is common, that in rhombus also all the sides are equal in length, like in square. Okay, do not get confused. So now one thing I need to tell you, we have already done one formula of rhombus. Now today I am going to teach you two formulas together. Okay, means both the formula is of area, and what is the difference I'll tell you. Like in number 1, I have written area of rhombus is base into height. Why base into height? Base into height is the area of parallelogram. If you remember, area of a parallelogram, the formula is base into height. It also has a property of a parallelogram. That's why we can use base into height whenever it is necessary. Whenever base and the height are given, we'll use this formula and find out the area of rhombus. But suppose base and height is not given, instead of that two diagonals are given, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. That time we need to use the second formula, that is area of rhombus is equals to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So which formula you'll have to use, it depends on what is given in the question. If the question gives you base and height, you'll use the first formula and find the area. If the question gives you diagonal, both the diagonals, my dears, then we'll use this formula number 2. Okay, I think you are clear with this. I think you have no doubt now. Let's start. Let's read out the question first. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is given 5 centimeter, and we know side is 5 centimeter means all the sides are 5, because I already told you that the rhombus, in rhombus all the sides are equal, isn't it? So side is 5 centimeter, that means all the sides are 5 centimeter. So this is very simple. Okay, let's read further. And whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. Altitude means, my dear, height. Okay, altitude is the height. So I have written a height here because the side lines are slanting. It is like this. So the height should be straight. That's why this red pen denotes the height over here in the figure. Now base and the height is given. All side is 5 means base is also 5 and the height is given. That's why we'll use the first formula to find the area. Let us find it out. So the area of a rhombus is base into height, that is 5 into 4.8 centimeter square. 5 into 4.8 will give you 24 centimeter square. So this is the area of a rhombus. But we do not need to find the area. Actually, we need to find the length of the other diagonal. Length of one diagonal is given 8 centimeter. You need to find the area, length of the other diagonal. So what we can do now is, again, we'll write area of rhombus. We have got it 24 just now, 24 centimeter square. Now in place of area of rhombus, we'll use the second formula to find diagonal 2, to find the second diagonal. Okay, so let's use the formula. Half into d1 into d2, diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, equals to 24 centimeter square. Now let's put the value. one diagonal is given, as you can see here. So I have replaced D1 as 8 centimeter. Okay, and D2 other diagonal is not given. So let us reduce this. 2 4s are 8. Okay, now this is into 4, so this 4 will go to the denominator. So the next line will become D2 equals to 24 by 4. Now here are centimeters square, 2 centimeters, and here is only 1. So 1 and 1 will be reduced, 1 will be remaining, and 4 6 are 24. So finally we got D2 as 6 centimeter. D2 means the second diagonal, so required length of the other diagonal is 6 centimeter. So this was the question, and this is our final answer. I hope you all have understood this. This is very easy, isn't it? Okay, my dears, let's move to the next video with question number 7.